Savannah Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So today we are unboxing our brown sugar box by Izzy and Liv. This is for October 2023. This box is shipped monthly, guys, and it does always include a shirt and about 5 to 7 products. It could be apparel items. The box is $42 plus $8.95 for shipping and handling, and if you live in an area with text, you can just add some text onto that. So we're going to get right into our October box and see what's in here. Now, if you notice, this box is pretty big. This is the biggest I've ever seen them send me. So I'm curious to know what's in here. So let's get started. Ooh. So guys, they did include our little paper here. That is our electronic magazine, by the way. The QR code on the back here gets you the magazine that they used to do. The full magazine is on the QR code. And then the theme for this month is Black Girl Equinox Edition. And on the inside of our paper, we do have the value of our box over here, along with, it tells us the items, the values, as well as what other color options they came in. So let's check this one out. It says Black Girl Equinox Edition. It says the leaves are changing and so are you. And as you nurture transition from the brightness of the summer to the dimmer days of the fall, embrace all the time to reflect, recharge, and reset. So that is what this box is about. So let's get into it. So the first item that I'm going to pull out, guys, this is what we have. There are Girls Night wine tags. I think that's so cool. Let me take the plastic off so you guys can see them better. So these are the wine tags. If you're having your girls over, you know, everybody can grab a tag. They know which one belongs to them. And that would, you know, help identify who belongs to whose drink. So guys, it says, put some respect on my name, wine/mug tag charm set. It's 6 of them valued at $22. It says, never confuse your wine glass with another. Wine charms will do the trick every time. You get a set of 6: Goddess, Diva, Queen, Empress, Icon, and Legend. So this was valued at $22, guys. So this is the first item in our box. Let's go on to the next item in our box. Oh, wow. I don't even know where to start. Oh, there's so much going on. All right, I'm going to start here. So, guys, we got kitchen culture. So we got some cups. And these are real cups. These are a set of 4 cups here. This is valued at $28. It says Culture Kitchen Bamboo Drinking Cup set of 4. They came in, it looks like 3 different prints. So you could have either got, or 4 different prints, my fault. Inner Child, Big Energy, Breezy Days, or Golden Expression. But I'm only showing 2 of the cups here as the option, so I don't know if that was a misprint or not, but I'll just show you guys on the iPad real quick that it was only 2 colorways, so I don't know where the other ones were. So does it say which one this one is? No, I can't quite tell which one I have. But I like the idea that this time they gave us real cups, because remember we had the picnic kind of one where we got the paper cups, but this is valued at $28. These look like plastic, hard plastic cups that you can reuse. So I like the idea that everything is reusable. I think that is great. It says dishwasher safe, do not microwave. On here, so you can put these in the dishwasher. I like the fact you got something that's reusable, and you can get, I feel like it's more of a value to you. So for $28, I'm not sure if I really care for that price for these cups, but I think it's nice to get the cups here. So $28 for these Kitchen Culture Bamboo Drinking Cups set of 4. So let's go on to the next thing in our box. Now, this I've never seen. We actually have plates, guys. Plates. These are 45% bamboo fiber, 35% cornstarch, and it says 20% melanin. They're BP free plates, so they're dinner plates. Let's go ahead and open them, and I'll show you what colors I have. I'm trying to get all of these out for you guys. So I didn't get all of them out. I just took the 2 out so I can show them to you. So guys, these are the colors of the plates, and I think this is cool. We got really reusable stuff here. I think that's really cool. I've never seen us get plates before, but I like it. I like it because we're getting ready to go into Thanksgiving, and we already have plates, and we have some cups, and the cups do match the plates, which is great. And these plates are valued at $38 for a set of 4 of these plates. And again, these are dishwasher safe. You can't put them in a microwave though, but I think this was nice. Like, you actually got plates. And if you're like me, you break plates or they get chipped and you have to constantly replace plates. So this comes in handy for me. I think this was really, really nice. I love that you got the plates and the cups and they match each other. I think that was really cool. Very unique. Never seen them do plates like these before, guys. So as long as I've been getting this box, I've never seen this one. So this is new for me. There were 1 of 6 sets that you could have received. There were, what is it? Big Energy, Breezy Days, Golden Expression, Inner Child, or In the Mix. And I'll blow it up on the iPad here to show you guys the other options. So guys, these are the other options here that you could have received on here. So I think that was nice to get plates. I mean, never seen that before in a box. So that was surprising to me. And then I'm gonna go to, we got one more item before the shirt. So this is Kitchen Culture dish towels that they gave us here, and it says it's a set of 3. They're 12 by 12. Let me take them out to show you. These are valued at $22, but guys, these are pretty thin. Just feeling through here, they're very thin. Let's see. Yeah, they're very, very thin. Like if you're drying something, they're definitely going to be wet. I mean, I like the idea though. I do like it, but these are super, super thin. These are not like regular dish towels that you dry off with your plates and stuff with. They're very thin, but these are the colors that are inside. But hey, it'll get the job done. But I don't believe to me, they don't seem like they have a value of $22. Like, honestly, I love the prints, but I just don't feel like they have the value of $22 to me. They feel very, very thin, like thinner, real thin, like thinner than a dollar store thin. Like they feel like they won't really absorb well, but I don't know, I could be wrong. It might be very absorbent. It says you can never have too many dish towels and a fashionable touch to your food sanctuary, perfect for washing, drying, and cleaning. I would say, yeah, the size of these definitely you could use for washing your dishes. I would say more for washing your dishes than actually drying them off. But they came in 1 of 4 designs. There was an African Moxie, a Celestial Vibe, Mahogany Muse, or Modern Motif. So I'm going to blow that up here to show you guys the colorways. So that is the full options of what you could have got in terms of what's in here in terms of color. So we're going to go on to our shirt, which is the last item in our box. So we are on to our last item, guys. We have our t-shirt. So our t-shirt this month looks like we only got 1 option for the t-shirt. And how much is the tea this month? Did it say? The tea is valued at $25. This one is called Cocoa Mocha Chocolate Honey Tea. And this is our tea. I like this. This is so cute. I love the colors and everything on this one. This is really, really cute. I like that. Really nice. And this is a large size that I generally get. And I always like their t-shirts. This was one that we got before in another older box that I like wearing around the way girl one. So I like their tees. They're very comfortable. And the ones that I've had for a long time. So I haven't had any of them fall apart. But yeah, this is the shirt of the month. So guys, interesting box. So this one was called what, Black Girl Equinox Edition. I don't know about the theme, I guess. I don't feel equinox when I look at all the items, the tea. I don't know. I mean, I know they gotta pick a theme for the box every month, but I ain't too sure about this one. I don't feel like this stuff is equinox, I guess. Yeah, yeah. I mean, we got dish towel. I mean, I would like it better if this was the like Thanksgiving box, because you got the dishcloths, you got the cups, you got wine tags. It'd have been nice if it was some wine glasses in here to go with the wine tags. And we got plates. So I think the items in here were very unique for the box. I don't get the equinox theme though, to me personally, but yeah, I don't get the equinox theme. So this month's box, guys, was valued at $133. This what was in here. I thought it was okay. It was an okay box. I'm not going to say it's one of my favorites, but it was okay. I like that we did get actual plates that we could use. So these will be some extras for me. I think that's good. So guys, this was my box this month. I hope you enjoyed today's video. So this is our Black Girl Equinox Edition box for the month of October 2023. Again, this is a monthly subscription. You can stop and pause this subscription, which is the best part about it. So if you've gotten enough or you need to change your financial budget, you can pause this subscription and pick it back up whenever you want, which I think is really good. They always have very unique items in here, unique prints. This is a Black lifestyle box, so always different things for the culture. So I love little things like this. I think they're great. Great box to check out. If you have not checked out this box, definitely I would say put it on your list and give it a try. See if you like the items in here. As well as, you know, they're always great for gifts. If you need to give people gifts, you always have something so unique that, you know, it's an interesting and a unique gift to give someone as well. So guys, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. I love showing you guys what's in my subscription boxes. If you enjoy subscription unboxings, this is the channel for you. Please consider subscribing to my channel and tapping the notification bell, and it'll let you know when I post my next video. But guys, until next time, I will catch you on the next one. Bye!